Okay, New York session done. I took 3 trades, one on NAS, one on US30, and one on SPX. I'll get right to the trades. First trade was on NAS. It's a bearish breakout day, but we are actually in a range here. There was an inside bar. Inside bar, I take the previous high and low of the previous bar, and that becomes the range. So today, the bias was shorts at below this day breakout level, but that move happened in between my session, so I did not take that move. During my session, we're already down low here, faked out the previous day low, faked out that day range low, and also faked out the previous week low. So once price came down and faked out that previous H8 low as well, I took an aggressive entry on the M5 right here. Price came down, 830, pushed down, fake out, and then took out the last bearish breakout bar in the M5. This changes the M5 time frame to bullish, and I entered on the break of that wick, stop loss low of the day, and I took it up to the high of the day right here. And on the weekly, that is a retracement. Here's the wick breakout high. That's the bullish. It was a bullish breakout week. Pushed up, got below it, faked out the previous week lows. That becomes a fake out retracement back up. So I took it straight to the week breakout high level. Yeah, so that was it. And on the daily, it's a breakout reversal, breakout low, and then faking out the previous day low. That's a breakout reversal. So weekly setup and daily setup took 2R on that move, and that's it. That's all I took. And after that, SPX is the one that I wanted to take more because the day breakout level is underneath. So it flipped here on this day, flipped, and then faking out the previous day low. That becomes a breakout continuation. While NAS, the breakout level was above. So SPX is the one that I wanted the most. So again, wanted to take long since we're down low. 830. Push down, same exactly the same as NAS, but my entry was later, 5 minutes later. And the NAS one, tight stops, and I took partials as it got to the high of the day right here. This was the high of the day. Took partials there, and since this is a breakout continuation, the idea was to take the move all the way back up to the previous peak. Still in this, haven't been taken out, but my runners at break even. Took partials at that previous H8 high as well as the high of the day, trading right into that weak direction. Yeah, so attempting to take this all the way back up to the previous day high, runners at break even. And then I also took one on US30. Didn't like US30 as much, but I did end up getting an entry after. I missed the initial entry since I was busy with NAS and SPX, but it did pull back and give me an entry over here. Faked out the M15 low and came right back above the H8 breakout level. And so that was all I needed to enter. Again, tight stops in New York. I trade aggressively and was looking to take the move up to the high of the day. Didn't quite get there, and then I got taken out right here at break even. And that's it. Took those 3 trades. That's all I took. Gold, was interested in gold, but it was in a range. I would prefer gold to have pushed down below this H1 range in order for me to take it up. And then all day it's just been stuck in this in between these levels, previous day low and the fake out level. I'm bullish above this day breakout level, and bearish below here. And so in the middle, there's just a lot of choppiness. I didn't want to get involved in here, so did not look at gold. And oil, I was actually looking for a long. It was a bullish breakout day. It was above the previous week high, which is right here, above the week breakout level, above the daily breakout level. Yeah, and so I was looking for a fake out of the previous H8 low right here to take it up, but did not happen, broke down, and now I'm not interested, done with my session. So that's it. 3 trades on NAS, US30, and SPX.